Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI manga filter on TikTok. So recently there's been a trend going around where you use the AI manga filter on TikTok and it will make whatever you take a picture of turn anime. So I'll show you guys how to use that in this video today. So first things first, make sure that your TikTok is completely updated. Then head on to the TikTok app. As you can see, there's already a video that's using the AI manga filter as soon as I open the app. So if you find one of these videos, you can just click on the filter and then you can click on use this effect and then you'll be able to use it. But for this case, we're going to click on the middle button to make a video. And then we're going to click on effects in the bottom left corner. So once I click on effects, right now it should be on trending. The AI manga filter should be the first option. But if you don't see it there, then what you're going to want to do, you have to click on effects again and click on the search bar all the way to the left. It's right next to the bookmark option for effects. And once you get here, just search up Manga AI or AI manga and it should show up for the first option. And once you find it, you can just click on the red record button right next to it. Like I said, it's AI manga or Manga AI. It'll show up either way. But once you find it, click on the red record button. It'll bring you to this page here. Once you have the filter selected, if you want to take a picture of something and turn it anime, then you just have to start recording and then just tap your screen and it'll take a picture of it. As you can see, it turned all of this into an anime looking picture. So then you can just close it if you want to, but then you can also use this filter on whatever you want, like people. As you can see here, if I take a picture of these bags, it turns it into like an anime girl. So if you put it on a real person, it'll turn that person into an anime character. But it also changes random objects too if it senses that it looks like a person. So you can also upload photos if you want to, if you click on effects. And at the top bar, there's a bar that shows all your photos. But then you can also click on the plus button all the way to the left of the bar, which also lets you get into your gallery. But let's say I want to use this photo. As you can see, it turns a trash photo into such a refined photo. It's kind of crazy. So you can use this on whatever you want. You can use it on people too. Let's say I want to choose this photo right here. It's just a screenshot of another guy using this filter. As you can see, it combines everything in the picture to make a photo that looks like an anime character. So that's how you use the AI manga filter on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.